Hi there, everyone. Ms. Giacchino here again. We're going to be creating a third interactive notebook page. This one is called Estimating Square Roots. You should have a purple piece of paper. I know it doesn't quite look purple in this picture, but it is. Get that lavenderish, purplish piece of paper, cut out those parts. Remember, you're cutting along the solid black lines, and then come back and I'll show you what those parts look like, and we'll start putting it together. Okay, so here are the parts for the Estimating Square Roots page. You should have a total of 6 things cut out. Your title, of course, goes at the top of your page. And I have not glued down any of the other 5 boxes, the 2 long strips and then the 3 smaller pieces that say estimate. Don't forget that on the dotted lines, you're going to be folding, and you will not be gluing those flaps down. So make sure that in the tall box that says steps to estimate, that you have actually cut along those 3 solid lines to create 4 tabs. Okay, so I've glued down that long strip completely onto the white paper, and the left side of that says glue, you need to apply your glue there, and then you're going to take that second tall box, the one that says steps to estimate, and you're going to lay that on top of the glue strip to attach it, so that you have the steps to estimate on top, and then as you lift up the flaps, you will uncover each of those sets of work underneath of it. You should also put glue behind those left-hand tabs where the dotted lines are on the 3 smaller boxes that ask us to estimate the square root of 110, estimate the square root of 30, and estimate the square root of 19. And then you can also attach those to your page to the right of the long 4 square boxes. And on the next slide, I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so here you can see that the 2 long boxes with the 4 squares in them, labeled steps to estimate, has the steps on top, and those are laid on top of the work that you see underneath of there. And those flaps should be movable so we can lift up the directions, lift up the directions and see the work underneath of it. Along the right side, you see those 3 estimation questions, and again, you're folding along, and you're folding those back along the dotted lines, and what we'll do is we will put the work behind that shows how to estimate those square roots as well. I think now you are ready for class when we will complete these notes.